Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will do Reader Chapter 8, The Lambikin. It is your explanation part and we will do the exercise in book. Okay, so open your Reader Chapter 8, The Lambikin. It is your English reader book Chapter 8, The Lambikin, page number 37. Here you can a picture of Lambikin. Once upon a time there was the Lambikin who played and skipped about on his little legs and enjoyed himself very much. It is a Lambikin and he was very excited. He played and skipped and enjoyed very much. One day he set up to visit his granny's house. So he went to his granny's house. But on the way he met many other animals. Just then he met a jackal who looked at him hungrily and said, Lambikin, Lambikin, I'll eat you. What will he say, jackal? Yes, the jackal will say that I will eat you. But the Lambikin was very clever. He says, to granny's house I go, where I shall fatter grow, then you can eat me so. The jackal thought this reasonable and let the Lambikin pass. The Lambikin answered that he will go to his granny's house and he should fatter grow, then he could eat him. The jackal thought that it is a genuine reason, so let him pass. Then many other uh, animals and birds met on the way. Which animals and birds? Vulture and lion, wolf. So many animals met to the Lambikin, and his answer is the same that Drumkin, have you seen the Lambikin? Tumpa, tumpa, tutu, tumpa, tumpa, tutu, tumpa, tumpa, tu. And the answer is same that to granny's house I grow, well I shall fatter grow, then you can eat me so. But at last the clever jackal told him, and the Lambikin curled up in his warm little nest, replied gaily, fallen into the fire, and so will you on the little Drumkin Tumpa. But he never got any further, for the jackal recognized his voice at once and cried, Hullo, you turned yourself inside out. I have you just you came out of that when whereupon the Tor opened the drumkin and gobbled up the lambikin. His granny entered him into a drumkin, but at last the jackal ate him. Now you open your page number 44. Write down the classwork. Date today is 9/2/21. Choose the correct words to complete the sentences. The Lambikin skipped about all day. He was careful or happy. Yes, he was very happy. So you write here happy. The Lambikin skipped about all day. He was happy. On the way to his granny's house, he met many friendly birds and animals or greedy. Yes, they all are greedy. Greedy, greedy. Third, the lambkin was clever or foolish enough to know how to reach granny's house safely. The answer is clever. Clever, clever. The lambkin was clever enough to know how to reach Granny's house safely. Granny was happy or angry? Yes, Granny was very happy that lambkin wanted to eat till he became fat. The lambkin ate and ate till he became as fat as a drum or log. Yes, the correct answer is drum. The dash was not fooled by the lambkin. Whose? Tiger or jackal? Yes, jackal. Now come to the next page. Match the words in column A with their meaning in column B. Plump, tender, clever, gaily, gobble up. Plump, yes, fat. You match it with fat. Tender, young, clever, smart, gaily, merrily, gobble up, eat up. Okay. Now it is your last exercise. Fill in the blanks to make similes of your own. Choose these the words from the box. Here are your clues: owl, picture, lion, clown. First sentences: as pretty as a, yes, picture. 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 As wise as an owl. Owl, owl. As funny as a clown. Clown, clown. As mighty as a lion. Lion. It is your classwork. You write in book page number 44 and 45, and I will send your homework. Your today's homework is in workbook. Yes, it is your homework. Write down the homework 9/2/2021. The Nawab of Salimabad part 2. You will write all this work in your book, and it is your homework and it is your class work. Now start your work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.